So Poolside just launched Laguna S 2.1, and it's one of the most capable open weight models to come out of the West. It has 118 billion parameters, but only 8 billion are active at once because of mixture of experts, so it's fast and cheap to run. It also supports a 1 million token context window, and it comes with both a thinking mode and a no thinking mode. It's built specifically for agentic coding, multi-step coding tasks, and coding-related work, not general chat.
Let's talk benchmarks. On Terminal Bench 2.1, which tests how well a model can use a terminal to actually get coding tasks done, it scores 70.2. It's behind models like Tencent Haikyaan 3 and QN 3.7 Max here, but it actually beats DeepSeek V4 Pro Max and Inkling, both of which are much bigger models. On SWE Bench Multi, which tests fixing real-world coding issues across different code bases, it scores 78.5. And here it beats every other model on the chart, including Kimi K3. So the story here isn't that it beats everything. It doesn't. It's that a 118 billion parameter model with only 8 billion active is going toe-to-toe with models several times its size, and even leading some of them, which is genuinely impressive for something this small and this cheap to run.
For running locally, Poolside says this runs on a single desktop, but that specifically means a high-memory machine like an NVIDIA DGX Spark or a Mac with a lot of unified memory, not just any regular PC. The quantized version alone needs around 75 gigabytes of memory, so realistically you'd want a 128 gigabyte machine to run it comfortably. If your system can't handle that, you're not out of luck. The weights are up on Hugging Face if you do have the hardware, but the easier way in for most people is through OpenRouter or Poolside's own API. No local hardware needed at all. And it's actually free to use through OpenRouter right now, as well as free through OpenCode. There's also a smaller sibling model, Laguna XS 2.1, which only needs about 20 gigabytes and can run on a Mac with 36 gigabytes of RAM. So that one's a lot more realistic if you want to try running something locally yourself.
Now, let me show you how to actually use this inside VS Code for free. First, go to OpenRouter and create an API key. I'll give it a name, VS-Code, hit the Create button, and copy the key. Now, open VS Code, open the Model Picker dropdown, and press the gear icon. Press Add Model and select OpenRouter. Press Enter to confirm the name, then paste the API key we just copied. Now, scroll down and see if Laguna S 2.1 Free is visible. And there it is. Close the settings and select the model from the model picker. Let's just try if it works. And it worked. Now let's ask it about the current repo. And it worked. Nice.
If you're using the paid API, Laguna S 2.1 is priced at $0.10 per million input tokens and $0.2 per million output tokens with a 1 million token context window. That's genuinely cheap for a model this capable.
So that's Laguna S 2.1, a smaller, more efficient open weight model that's holding its own against much bigger names, and one of the first real signs of Western labs pushing back in the open weight space. If you want to see more AI-related videos like this, check out my channel for more.